So today's topic is about magnification. So the magnification is very big topic. So that is why I have already written before so that I can explain you in brief while explaining. So to understand what is magnification, first you have to understand what are the rules of magnifications. So let me tell you the rules of magnification. These are also called as sign conventions. Now what is the first rule? All distances should be measured from pole. So what is the meaning of all distances should be measured from pole? So whatever you are going to find out the distance when you are getting in the problems or solving the problems. So measuring from pole means nothing but this is the pole. So whatever the value you are getting, you should always measure from the pole itself. The second point is the distance measured in the direction of incident light are positive. So what is this point means? So for example, the distance is measured in direction of incident light are positive. Now for example, let me see, this is the object. Now how is incident ray? So this is how the incident ray is going to form. Now whatever the distance in the direction, what is the direction? The direction is going from right side to the left side. The direction is going from left to right side to the left side. So any of the distances, if you are measuring from the right side to the left side, so these are all considered as positive. If your direction are measured in the direction opposite, if you are like finding out the distances in opposite, like if you're going from left to the right, then these are all called as negative. In the formation we will get as negative. If you are measuring in the direction of incident, like direction of incident is from the right side to the left side, if you are measuring from like this, then these all values will be the positive. If you are opposite like this, from left to the right, then it will be the negative values. Now height of the object is called as HO. You can define the object height of the object as HO, and height of the image you are going get after that. Then you have to find HI. Will be always positive. If the height of the image and height of the object everything is in upside, then you can call it as positive. If the height of the image is downwards, then you have to call as negative. Okay, so most in all the cases you will get as height of the image will be always negative. In some cases you are going to get as height of the image will be positive, but most of the cases it will be a negative only. Now for the magnification, let me explain you the main magnification. Look, think this is a spherical mirror, so each and every image should be formed will be same size. That doesn't mean it will be in same size. Sometimes it depends upon the way of the incident rays which is falling on the mirror. Depends on that the size is going to be varies. So it is not compulsory to say all the spherical mirrors are going to be have same mirrors, so it will be varies in size. So for that you have to measure what is the size. How do you find out the size or height of the size? By the using the magnification formula. So how you are going to, let me show you one example to find out how the formula has been came for to measure a concave spherical mirrors formula. So think this is a object, so you already know the rules. So the incident ray parallel to the principal axis pass through the focus. So this is how it is going to form. And the second one will be, okay, and then you can see, so this is how you are going to form. And so it is just a cross like this, okay, and here you are going to get the image formation. So now as you have represented O and O dash for height of the object, let me show you for image also I and I slash. And the angle between, so you can, by coming from this, the 0 is the incident at the from the pole. So it is going to make an angle. Is it not angle? So this is going to make an angle of theta. Okay. So the same one get reflected, and the reflected one is also going to make the same angle as theta. So now with this you can say, now let me show, this is P, okay, triangle P, this is O, and this one is also O dash. So triangle P, PO dash will be similar to P, I and I. Is it not similar? So when you can consider delta triangle delta angle P, PO naught, and these PI and I slash is having the similar triangles. So these both are the similar triangles. So if they are similar triangles, why not we write as like this: I and I slash and O slash is similar to Pi by Po. Yes or no? Let's make it as first equation, and we have to represent as sign. According to sign convention, we can write as. So this is how. So according to the sign conventions, we have already told you height of the image, like object, you can represent the height of the object in the form of u. So object will be u and image will be v. Object is going to be represented as u and image will be represented as v. Now height of like PO angle of like from the pole and object, you can represent as u and image will be minus v. So both will be in the minus because both will represent both as negative only. So object height is HO, image height is HI. I already told it is downward, so we are representing as negative. So if we are substituting these values in this, let me show. Height of the image is minus HI, height of the object is HO. So minus V and U we have written here. Now if you are just cancelling these both my negative values, you can represent it as Hi by Ho is equal to minus V by U. So this is how the magnification formula comes. Now with this magnification formula, you can substitute these magnification formulas in your examples and tell me in the comment box that can you able to solve those magnification problems using these formulas. And for more videos, just like, subscribe to my channel for more videos.